welcome to another video. In this one I'll be showing you how to get the sequential light and LED sequence that you see here. So the parts are aftermarket. I got it from AliExpress. It was like 20 quid or $22. So the first step is we're going to remove the headlight. You just get your prying tool and you insert it there, and you can just pry it out and pull it out. Just make sure that the side mirror aligns in a way where it doesn't stick out, because otherwise you're going to pull out the mirror as well. So just make sure it's all aligned, and you can pull it out like that and just go straight upwards. So I actually also bought the side mirror covers. I got some new covers as well. So yeah, so here we just unscrew the side lamp. There's only 2 screws holding it in place, and typically you just replace that, but obviously I've got new side mirrors as well, so I'm just going to be reusing the screws in the new side mirror. So here's a new side mirror. As you can see, it's got that little wing at the end. So I thought it was much more slick. So now all I'm doing is fitting the new light into it. So the light has two wires in there. One's the OEM wire, and the other one is the LED light wire. So putting it in was a bit of a struggle, and I think it's because I'm using 2 aftermarket parts and shoving them together. So maybe it'll be easier on the actual normal side mirror, but for this one I really did struggle a little bit because there just wasn't enough space. But anyways, I did manage to push it in. It kind of slides in, but it just wasn't as smooth as I wanted it to be. But as you can see, it looks really good. It's all completely blacked out, so I thought it was very nice. Next, I just reused the screws and used them in the new headlight. To be honest, only one fit, no both, so I just used one. It's pretty sturdy anyways. There's a clip section where you can put in the main wire, and I went and done the same thing on the other side. So far so good. So far it's very straightforward. The tricky part is sort of doing the wiring and figuring out which wires to connect to. So just ahead of showing you, I'll be using a T-tap wire. So first thing I did was connect the white wire into the T-tap, and then it was sort of finding out where to connect it to. So the T-tap section is done, as you can see there. So this will just plug into the T-tap, I guess. So now all I'm doing is I've got some wire, and I've just put it through. I put it through the wing, and then what I've done is it's going to be going under the side mirror, and I'm going to tuck it under the trim of the car, or of the door, which I'll show you in a second. As you can see, I just wired it through, and all I'm doing is I'm putting it under the rubber and I'm tucking it in. It would help if you use a completely black wire, unlike me. But yeah, I've tucked it, as you can see here. Okay. I found that to be the easiest way. I just didn't want to be opening too many parts. Okay. And then it goes from under. There's a hole under, and then it goes under and it comes out, and that's how I've then connected the wire with the white wire, which came with the side marker. So now, as you can see, I'm just cutting the wire so that I can tap into it and connect it. Okay. And to be honest, I didn't have too much wire in there. I realized a bit later on. but it was fine in the end. Alright, so now we can just tap into the wire and put the head unit in. I did struggle a little bit to do the connection, the side marker connection. It wasn't as easy, so I did have to spray some electrical fluid. So now I'm just testing the wire first. I'm just testing out in the battery. As you can see, it is working, which is great. So now I wanted the lights to turn on with the main LEDs. So the main one is it's number 12, and as you can see there, it's connected to that wire. So it's number 12 on both sides. The other thing I'd say is you should probably put some electrical tape around it, just so that it doesn't, no water goes on it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. I think it's a great modification. It's really, really cool. Really, really fun. Do subscribe. Got more to come. Thank you very much. Bye.